Hey my friends, can you see the sea and the mountain there? Now I'm with my family on our vacation. And thank you very much for all my customers to give me the business. And I hope some of my customers can come to China to join the vacation with me sometimes. I want to show you the beautiful cities where I am. Recently, some new customers want me to send our customers' information to you, but I told all the people that we don't share our clients' information. But what I will do is I will screenshot of the chatting history with my customers and I will erase the name, but I will show you the chatting history. I will show you the customers are buying hair from us, so for the new clients, you don't need to worry. You don't need to worry that nobody is buying hair from us. Actually, a lot of people are buying hair from us. That's why we can be here on vacation, because we're doing the business. So thank you very much. In the next video, I will show you all the work and how many people are buying hair from us, and to show you that we are legible, we are very serious in this hair business, and all this. That's why I'm doing good business here. That's why I can be on vacation here. So welcome to join me. Always on my videos, I will show you how we work. And see this beautiful city. And again, thank you very much for all the customers to give me the business. And thanks God. And thank you very much for all your supporting. I will do my job much better and better for you guys, to support you, to help you to grow the business. Thank you very much. In the next video. Hey, this video is mainly for some new customers, because every day we receive a lot of customers message. The new customers, they want to buy hair from us, and they may concern whether there are people buying hair from us. So I make this video to show them how many people are buying hair from us and the reviews among the people, so you can see how the people are saying about our hair, and they love the hair quality. So if you are not the new customers, just leave this video. Sorry my friends, and I know you guys, some of my friends and old customers are watching this video, so just forget this video. This video is just for some new people who want to buy hair from us. So because I don't really have time to show them how many people are buying hair from us, and I just made this video to show them. And we are doing the hair business with people who are not willing to release their private information. They are not willing to let other people where they get the hair from. They are not willing to let other people to see their face. So I just erase some information of this chatting history, so you can just see what people are saying about us. Thank you.